Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to explain you how to update Chrome drivers of our tools. This link I will add it into your description of this video. You can visit this link and first of all you're gonna open your about Chrome and you're gonna see current version of your Chrome. If it's not updated, update. It will auto update it once you will open your about of your Chrome. You have to click here and then like in help and about Chrome, and this the page will open here. So you have to see current version of your Chrome, and you need to update driver that is like maybe same or little lower version of this one. So as we have here a stable version that is 2.4, and here we have 2.5. So we're gonna download this 131 and this one. So we're gonna scroll down and here we have a stable version, and you wanna see Chrome driver for Windows 16, Win64, and then you're gonna copy this link and go to this link. A pop-up will open and like Chrome driver will be start downloading here. Once this done, you gonna click on show in folder. That you can do according to like as you want, and you gonna extract it, and this is Chrome driver that we need. You have to copy this. Now as for example you want to update it for Facebook Blaster Pro, you're gonna click here and click on open file location. In file location you're gonna found one folder that is Chrome driver Win64. You have to click on this folder and control V and replace this for driver with your current one. That's all you have to do. Even you want to do for Instagram Blaster Pro, you're gonna go here, same folder, update your driver. Even if you want to go with social lead extractor, just go in file location and same folder and paste that driver here, and that's how your Chrome driver would be updated to latest. Have a great day.